Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you that how can you use favorites in Microsoft Edge. So, first let's open Microsoft Edge. And now, what are favorites? So here you can see a bar, so it is called the favorites bar, and here you can pin apps, and as soon as you click on it, you can reach that page. So, to add a favorite, you have to give an address such as google.com. So I give this address and now I want to add this to favorites. So I'll click on the plus button and now I'll add it. So now as soon as I open a new page, I get to see it. So there are more ways of adding a favorites. So if you go to anywhere else like amazon.in, so we come here and now I want to add this page. So I will click on the triple dots, then go to favorites and click on add this page to favorites. Now the name is not perfect, so you can rename it as Amazon, and you can even choose where you want to save it. So right now it's in the favorites bar, but in the favorites bar you have a folder created with this other favorites. So this is not that important, neither it's for my work, neither for my channel, so I can move it to other favorites and then click on done. And now you will get to see that the other favorites has came where my Amazon is. So that's really great. Now, once you have learned how to add favorites, let me tell you about a few more features. So let's go here, and now you can see that we have a number of tabs open, and now we can add them all together by clicking on the triple dots, going to favorites and then clicking on add open pages to favorites. And now you can choose that where you want this a folder to be created where you can have all of these three tabs. So I'll choose the favorites bar and click on save. And now when I'll go back, I'll get to see that I have the three places here. Okay, so now there are more methods of adding it. So if we click on the triple dots and now go to favorites and then click on manage favorites, from there also we can add favorites. Now for your quick access, you have this favorites button here. In case you don't have it, you can put it by going to the triple dots, going to favorites and then clicking on show favorites button from toolbar. I already have it, so it's turning hide favorites button from toolbar. You can also go to settings and then go to appearance and then enable the show favorites button. So that's what you have to do. So once we are done that, we have to click on manage favorites, and now we can click on add favorites, and that's how we can add favorites. So let's say I want to add YouTube. One second, the spelling is wrong. And I give the URL as youtube.com. Then click on save. So you will get to see that the YouTube has been saved. Now after clicking on it, Microsoft Edge knows that what are you talking about, and then it will give the logo also. So that's really good. Now you have added a favorite. Now what if you want to remove a favorite? Well, you can also do that by choosing where the favorite is, right clicking and then clicking on delete. And the second way is you can click on manage favorites, which can be also done by Ctrl, Shift and O. And now you have to choose the favorite and then click on delete. So after you go, you will get to see that it is deleted. Now there are a few more options. So here you can see that now it is new folder, but what if I don't want the new folder name? Because here I have news, and for my better understanding I should rename it as news. So to rename, just right click, then click on rename, and then you can give a name such as news. This can be also done when you go to manage favorites, and then you can go for this and then click on rename. And now the more options you have is that by clicking on it you can open all in new window, and also open in new private window. So what is the in private window? So it's just like incognito mode in Chrome, and to enable this click on the triple dots and then click on new in private window. So you can also get the same options when you are in the new tab, and then you can click on open. So I'll click on open all in the in private window, and as you can see all of them open in the in private window. So that's really good. Now let's close the in private window. And now let me tell you that how can you also remove a favorite by going to the website. So when you will go to the website, you will get to see the star, and you can click on remove, and also you can click on the triple dots, go to favorites, and then you can also add this. That's what you can do. Now there are also more options. So once we go to manage favorites, you have this option of add folder. So right now you can see that we have created a folder of news. Now if we want to create more folders, we can click on add folder. So I can do that. One more method of doing is that you can just click on the place you want to add the folder and then click on add folder. So I give the name as channel works, and then click on save. And now to move the favorite to any other place, you can just drag it, or else you can manage favorites, and then you can also drag it like this. So let's drag it. Now when you open channel works, you will get to see YouTube. Okay, so once we are done with this, you have seen a thing, right? That when I'm opening a new tab, that time only I'm getting to see the favorites. When I'm not opening a new tab, suppose I'm in the favorites, then I don't get to see it. Or even if I'm in the news. But why? Because it is disabled. So to enable it, go to the favorites bar, click on show favorites bar, and then you can see it selected to only on new tabs. So you will get to see it only on new tabs. If you did always, you will get to see it always. If you did never, maybe someone else is using the laptop and you don't want to show them, so you can do them. Okay, you have a few more options, like you can remove duplicate favorites, you can sort them by name. Okay, and the best option which you have is that you can right click and then click on show icon only. Actually it's very useful, as when you are clicking on show icon only, then it takes less space so that you can add more favorites. And it's also more easier for you. Okay, so that's it, and hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye.